Did you know Pilates can activate your fast-twitch muscle fibers as effectively as weightlifting, but with less impact on your joints? A certified Pilates instructor demonstrates how this sophisticated exercise method transforms your body in just 20 minutes daily. Through precise, controlled movements, Pilates engages deep core muscles often missed in traditional workouts. The technique's genius lies in its ability to simultaneously strengthen multiple muscle groups while improving neural pathways for enhanced coordination. Research shows practitioners experience a 30% improvement in balance within 8 weeks of consistent practice. Watch as our expert flows through a power-building sequence. The 100, rolling like a ball, and single leg stretches. These movements specifically target fast-twitch muscle fibers while maintaining perfect form, proving that intensity doesn't always require heavy weights or endless hours at the gym. Ready to revolutionize your fitness routine? Drop a comment below sharing your biggest challenge with finding time for exercise, and I'll show you how Pilates can help.